Good evening, students. Good
Good evening,
evening.
sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Good evening.
evening.
Evening, sir.
Okay. So, is there any pending doubt? Do you people have? Is there any doubt you have?
No, sir.
Now, Bhushan, that the doubt was clarified that you asked something now.
Sir, I don't remember.
Like here, you didn't revise and all, I think. If people are not revising, then how it will help?
Sir, I revised. I don't remember the doubt.
Two lines are there. First line was y is equal to mx plus c1. Second line was y is equal to mx plus c2. Both the lines were parallel. And what is the distance between these two parallel lines, student? Tell me the formula which I derived. D is equal to mod. Tell me if you
Mod
devise
C1 minus C2 by
mod
square root
C1
of
minus C2 by square root 1 plus m square.
1
Here
plus m
only,
square.
here only you got a doubt. Students, see here. Actually, before this, what was the step? The step was like this way. D is equal to mod C1 by square root 1 plus m square minus mod C2 by square root 1 plus m square. After that, I wrote this way. You told that this is not correct if C1 and C2 are one is positive, one is negative. Then it is not correct. Do you remember the doubt?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what happens, student? In this diagram, both are positive only now.
Sir,
If you
but if we go to negative side and
negative means
positive
then we have
side,
to do that. See, suppose this is the first line and this is second line. You are saying that one line is on the right this side and one line is here. So if the line is here, will you subtract or will you add the distance?
sir, I didn't get you.
Now if the line, suppose this is the first line, second line, third line. Suppose you want to find the distance between first line and third line, will you add these two terms or will you subtract these two terms in order to
Sir,
find the
I'll
distance?
add.
Add. So
Add.
that time you have to add. It depends on derivation, student. Are you understanding? See, you told
Yes, sir.
one not understood now.
Sir, understood.
See, one time you told C is positive, one C is positive, one C is negative, then this will not work. Means from here to here, we cannot go directly. Then that time we will not subtract also now. We will do addition. But student, what happened? You don't have to worry. If you remember this formula now, if you remember this formula, it will work for all the cases. See, I told correctly, if the line is here, means on if the line is on the negative y-axis, negative x-axis or negative y-axis both, then you have to add. But if you remember this formula will work in all the cases. You can check. No need of addition. This formula will work for all the cases. Understood or not? Shall I give example and proof or you understood?
Sir, understood.
This formula will work for any type of cases. Whether one line is C is positive, C is negative, both C are positive, both C are negative, then also the same formula will work. Not, you don't have to change the formula itself. See, almost everything I have taught from NCERT textbook, as much it is there in the uh, syllabus, especially for board syllabus. Were you not have class on Friday? Hello? Nobody.
Yes,
Were you having class on Friday? Last Friday, were you have class?
sir, we had competitive class.
Some other teacher came.
Yes, sir, some other teacher.
What that sir taught?
Sir, he taught logarithms and
Okay, okay.
uh,
Logarithms and
inequalities in logarithms.
okay, okay. So okay, no problem. So now what happened? Let us study here. So I think he will handle competitive and I will handle board. How much days I will come? So, no problem. Now see here. See on the board. Now what happened? As far as NCERT is concerned, I have taught each and every concept
Sir,
to you.
your
Tell me.
voice is breaking
Sir,
a
your voice
bit.
is breaking, sir.
Yes, sir.
Voice is breaking. Okay. Now what to do? Hello. Can you hear me?
Now
Yes,
it's fine,
sir.
sir.
Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So what we can do, so I was telling you that, so almost everything I have covered as far as NCERT is concerned. Now see here, so now we have learned how to find distance between two parallel lines. Everything we have done. Now one more concept we can say, suppose distance between two parallel lines, distance between two parallel lines, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 measured along, we have to find the distance between these two parallel lines measured along a line having inclination theta. So what is the distance between these two parallel lines measured along a line having inclination theta? We have to find distance between these two parallel lines measured along a line having inclination theta. So suppose, meaning of this is, I will tell you, this is the first line. This is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is the second line, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. We have to find perpendicular, we have to find distance only, but distance along a line which is making an inclination theta means, suppose we want to find this distance. Okay. Are you understanding or not? No?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I make y-axis and x-axis, y dash and x dash. If I make like this way, so this line, if I proceed, this line I will proceed. It is not necessary that all the three lines should be parallel. Actually, I'm not drawing the diagram correctly, so let me draw again. See, it is not necessary that it should be flat only. It can be like this way also. It can be anything. Only the lines should be parallel. That much only I'm saying. The lines should be parallel. So this is the first line and this is the second line. I will rewrite it. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So these are two lines and we have to find distance along a line which makes an angle which has an inclination of 45 degree, like this way. Suppose not 45 degree, any theta. So this is also no. Okay. Distance between two lines along a line making an inclination theta. So anybody knows the formula for this? Hello? Have you understood this concept, what I'm teaching?
Sir, here M will be tan theta.
No, have you understood the concept, what I'm teaching?
Yes, sir.
We have to find distance between two lines, but not perpendicular distance. The distance measured along a line which has an inclination theta. So for this, the answer is D is equal to mod AX1 plus BY1 plus C by A cos theta plus B sin theta. This is the formula. Write down the formula.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, we can draw perpendicular. Then we know the formula for perpendicular distance. So we'll divide that distance with sin theta and you get AB.
That way we can get. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm not sure we can get that way or not, but it's okay. Write down distance between two parallel lines, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is 0, measured along a line having an inclination theta. Shall I? Okay, somebody is waiting also. I didn't saw for a long time. Shall I proceed or you need proof also for this one?
Sir, don't rub the board entirely.
So suppose you don't need proof, so we'll go to next one. distance between distance of a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 from a point px1 comma y1. Distance of a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 from a point px1 comma y1.
Sir, did you just skip the proof?
I told you, did
Sir,
you?
I wanted the proof.
Distance of a line ax plus by plus c is 0 from a point px1 comma y1 measured along a line whose inclination is theta. You remember one day we have done this sum by taking some values here. We have done this sum. Do you remember by two methods we have done this sum? Distance of a line from a point measured along a line whose inclination is theta. Do you remember or not? You people remember or not?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, here ax1, ay1.
Huh?
Sir, ax1 plus by1.
अभी आइए. ठीक. हाँ, tell me, student.
What are x1 and x2? X1 and y1? Here, down, sir.
So I wrote wrong here, student. This is A, B, C1. This is rectify this. This is AX plus BY plus C1 and AX plus BY plus C2. The lines are parallel. The lines are parallel, so the coefficient of X has to be same and coefficient of Y should be same. So the line is not AX1. The line is AX plus BY plus C1 and AX plus BY plus C2. And then here also, this formula is also wrong. The answer is C1 minus C2. Actually, I was getting disturbed. Then I should teach again this one. Okay, I'll teach again. Suppose there are two lines. First line is AX plus BY plus C1. Second line is AX plus BY plus C2. Then what is the distance between these two lines measured along a line whose inclination is theta is C1 minus C2 by A cos theta plus B sin theta. This is the formula. Write down. Change the previous one.
So that is for the previous one.
Previous one, by mistake, I wrote wrong. This is the formula actually.
Yeah,
This
okay.
is the line. By mistake, I was thinking something else. AX plus BY plus C1, AX plus BY plus C2. This is the formula.
So the board is really okay. It's fine now.
It will rectify. Mona Lisa, are you there? Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa student. Not there. Mona Lisa, you wait today. I will teach you trigonometry, some concept. I cannot hear you actually.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me? You wait for some time. I will teach you
Yes, sir.
trigonometry. Now write down. Okay, this concept will write distance of a
Sir.
line.
Sir, can you teach the proof?
I'll teach. Distance of a line AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0 from a point Px1 comma y1 measured along a line whose inclination is theta. So what is the formula for this one? Tell me. Actually, I wrote the formula. So this is the line. Anywhere, line can be anywhere, no problem. This is the line AX plus BY plus C is 0. This is the point Px1 comma y1. But we don't have to find perpendicular distance. I was telling you, some of you remember one day we have done this proof by two methods. So we want the angle distance along a line whose inclination is theta. We want this distance along a line. So what is the formula here? The formula here is D is equal to AX1 plus BY1 plus C by A cos theta plus B sin theta. We have done this sum before. I told two times. Do you remember or not this sum we have done? Nobody remember this sum?
Sir, we done something similar to this one, sir.
Exactly same we have done, but that time we took some values.
Yes, sir, we took many values.
So we have done this sum by two methods. Okay. Shall we go to next one? Shall we go to next result?
Sir, what about the proof?
Proof, we'll see.
Sir, could you wait?
Okay.
So previous one was C2 minus C1 by A cos theta plus B sin theta, right?
Correct.
So it doesn't matter whether it's C2 minus C1 or C1 minus C2,
Same
right?
only.
It's same only.
Same only. Is it over? Is it over? Not over. Next, write down equation of a line parallel to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Equation of a line parallel to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 at a distance
Sir, what was the last formula? Can you write it
d
again?
from it. Equation of a line parallel to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 at a distance d from it. What is the equation of a line which is parallel to this line and its distance from the line is ax plus by plus c is 0?
Sir. Hello, sir.
Tell me, didn't wrote previous formula?
Sir, I was writing, sir, writing. It was something was
ax1
blurred.
plus by1 plus c by a cos theta plus b sin theta.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So equation of a line parallel to this line at a distance d from it. What is the equation of line? Anybody knows the formula? Ananya? Is ax plus by plus c plus
By plus
minus
C.
d square root a square plus b square.
So these concepts are there in NCRT, like this one.
Based on this one, sum is there, student. What is your name, student?
Risha.
See, I'll tell you which sum is based on this. I'm from NCRT. I'll tell the exercise number also. This formula is not there, but this formula means some like this is there. Maybe there, I don't know. Do you have a textbook, student?
Yes, sir, I do.
See here, page number 229, question number example 21. which is not on this, but previous one it is there. This on based on this topic also it will be there. See here, example 21. You see the result which I gave before this. The question was based on that only. Example 21, and based on this also I saw one day, but I not remember now. Where is the question? But it will be there. If you search a little bit, it will come.
So example 21.
Example 21. Based on the previous result. Based on this also, I saw one day. See, page number 234, question number 15. Page number 234, question number 15. The question is based on previous to previous result, which I wrote today, first time result, that based on 15th question. Student, are you listening me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Page
am.
number 234, 15th sum you see.
Yes, sir.
See, 2 lines are given. Not 2 lines are given. No. Okay. No, this also based on the previous one only. But some sums are there, student. Okay. Maybe I think it is there, but it's okay. Write down the last result. This is the previous result. A1x plus
Sir,
okay.
after this
AX
chapter, what will we be doing?
AX plus BY plus C1 is 0. This is first line. AX plus BY plus C2 is the second line.
Hello, sir.
We don't know, student. We have to decide. AX plus BY plus C1 is 0. AX plus BY plus C2 is 0. Equation of line parallel to above 2 line. Equation of line parallel to above 2 line and lying midway. Equation of line parallel to above 2 lines. Equation of a line parallel to above 2 lines and lying midway is AX plus BY plus C1 plus C2 by 2 is equal to 0. Suppose this is one line. This is AX plus BY plus C1 is 0. This is the second line. AX plus BY plus C2 is 0. So what is the equation of line which is parallel to both the line and lying midway? This distance is same. I think meaning you have to understand. Equation of line lying midway between the above 2 line and parallel to above 2 lines. So answer is AX plus BY plus C1 plus C2 by 2.
Sir, it's basically the midpoint, sir. Mid.
Passing through the midpoint of above 2 line. So I have not done the proof. I think.
Sir, here also same. Like how C1 plus C2 by 2 is there. Similarly, we would have done for both the lines, but as you know, it will cancel them.
Is there very
Yes,
necessary to do
coming
the
to the
proof, or
result.
shall I skip the proof and do some sums? You can remember the result. What you say? Most of you say, I will do that only. What Ananya will say, that only I will do. Do we need proof of this, or shall I skip and do some sums based on this?
So we can do some sums on this.
Sir, if we know the proof, we can remember the result easier.
Now, almost everything I have done for you, almost everything I have proved for you, all the result is over. One more small result is there, that will write down. That will
Sir,
also
can
write
we
down.
do questions from NCERT first?
Write down point condition for 3 lines to be concurrent. You know the meaning of concurrent? Do you know the meaning of concurrent? Do you know the meaning of concurrent or not? Concurrent means the line will intersect at
Defined point.
same point. Point of concurrency of median is called as centroid. Point of concurrency of altitude is called as orthocenter. Have you not heard about concurrent? Heard or
The
not heard?
concurrence we have heard, sir, but the results are slightly new.
Congruent you are saying or concurrent you are saying?
Concurrence
Concurrent.
only I'm talking.
Concurrent is there.
Oh, sir.
Condition for three lines to be concurrent. Suppose the line is A1x, B1y plus C1 is 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 is 0. A3x plus B3y plus C3 is 0. What is the condition that these three lines are concurrent? Means they intersect at same point. They intersect at same point. What is the condition? If three or more lines intersect at same point, they are said to be concurrent, and the point of intersection is called as point of concurrency. What is the condition that these three lines are concurrent? Tell me the condition is, draw determinant A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 is equal to 0. This is the condition. This determinant is the condition A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 is 0. Congruent means what? What is the condition under which this three line will intersect at same point, student? If three or more lines intersect at same point, they are said to be concurrent. And what is the condition that three lines intersect at same point? This is the condition. So if you want to write in, this is the shortest way to write. If you want to write in one more way, other way you want to write, what you do? Expand this. I told you how to expand. Tell me how to expand this. First write A1. Then hide the row and the column. Then what to do?
B2C3 minus
B2C3 minus B3C2 plus, what is the next one? Minus B1. Hide the row and column, then what you will get? A2C3 minus A3C2. Then next one, C1. So hide this also, what you will get? A2B3 minus A3B2 is equal to 0. This is the answer. C1 A2B3 minus A3B2. So you can learn the condition of concurrency by this way or this way. This is the easiest way.
Sir,
Tell me.
it's not necessary to do all these things. No, from first and two equation, we can get x and y by elimination method and substitute in the
I
third
told
line.
that this is there in the textbook only. This sum is there in the textbook. So if you know the result directly, you can apply the result. Otherwise, you can do that way also. It is up to you. But better is learn this result. But you can do that way also. You're telling correct. It is there in textbook. Shall I erase the board? Now tell me which sum I should help from textbook.
Sir, can we tell it after 2 days? Not now.
2 days you will
Finish.
tell.
Yes, sir. Wednesday we can keep a doubt clearing session. It will be better.
Okay, today what you want to say? What you
Sir,
want
you
to
can
ask?
only choose some questions randomly from 10.3, I think so.
10.3. You only tell the question. I will tell. Bhushan, you have done the sum. You tell me which sum I should do.
Sir,
no,
one
sir.
minute, sir. I have to check. Sir, I think you should do the 18th question one.
Page number,
18th one
student. Page number.
in 10.3. Page number
Page number.
228.
Huh?
228.
Page number
228.
220.
228, sir.
228.
Yeah.
Question number
8.
8.
18.
18. Okay, okay.
18, sir. 18.
Understood.
18 and 16. I think so, sir. 16. Only these
Page
two
number
I have doubt.
228. Question number 18 will do. Write down if P is the length, if P is the length of perpendicular, if P is the length of perpendicular from the origin to the line whose intercepts on the axis are A and B, then prove that 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, isn't this inverse Pythagoras theorem?
Pythagoras theorem. I think we have done this type of sum. First, we have to understand the question. If P is the length of perpendicular from origin to the line whose intercept on the
That should we
axis are...
consider a locus here?
No, let us do this sum. So we'll draw a diagram. All of you read the sum 2-3 times. If P is the length of perpendicular from the origin to the line whose intercept on the axis, all of you know the meaning of intercept on the axis. So I think all of you know the meaning. This is the OA. What is the length of OA, student?
A comma 0.
A.
Length is A, coordinate is A comma 0. You're telling correct. What is the length of OB?
0
B.
comma B.
Okay. B
Coordinate,
and
yeah.
this is 0 comma B, 0 comma B. And P is the length of perpendicular from origin to the line. So P is the length of perpendicular. And then we have to do this all. We have to prove this one. So how to prove, tell me?
Sir, I'll say a simple method.
We have done this type of sum now, no?
Sir,
tell-
we need to use simple mathematics. Sir.
Tell me simple
Sir,
method.
area of
Pythagoras theorem and inverse of it.
No, sir, area of OAB is equal to half AB, and that is equal to AB into P half.
Correct.
From
So
there
this
we
is
can-
right angle triangle. He's telling one method. Let's do by that method only. Area of triangle AOB. One of you tell me the area of triangle AOB. AOB. What is the area? Half base into height. Am I right? Am I right or wrong? Area of any triangle is half base into height only, a student. Say something, I can proceed if you say yes, no.
Yes, sir.
So what is the base here? Half OA into OB. So what is OA length? OA how much? A. What is OB? That is B. So area of triangle, this way it may come. Area of triangle AOB is half AB. But we can find area by one more method. Either we have the coordinates, that way also you can find, or we know the one more. So also area of triangle is equal to half base into height. This time base I will take as AB. Half AB into OD. This way also correct. Now half base into height.
Yes, sir, correct.
So
only.
what happened? Half AB. What is the length of AB, student? That we
Square
can
root
find
of
by
A
distance
square
formula
plus
by
B.
Pythagoras theorem. What is AB? Square root
Square root of A square plus B square.
A square plus B square. By Pythagoras theorem only we can find AB. And what is OD? How long is OD? How
P.
much is OD? P. So both are area of triangle. So both will be same. So half AB is equal to square root. Sorry, student. Half AB is equal to half square root A square plus B square into P. Half cancel. Then we have to get the result also. See how result will come. I think we have to square both sides. Squaring both sides. Keshav, are you understanding or not? Keshav, are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir. Yes. I'm understanding, sir.
Squaring both sides. So what will get? A square b square, a square plus b square into p square. This is squaring and all. Now what to do? Cross multiply. That only will do. Cross multiply. P square will come this side. 1 by p square. And a square plus a square into b square will go right side. So it will become this way. Correct? Now cross multiply. Now distribute the denominator. Distribute means what you will get, student? Distribute denominator. What you will get? A square by, distribute, student.
A square b square,
Plus b square by,
a square b square.
Then what happened? A square cancel, b square cancel, and I think result has come. If anybody has doubt, I will do it again. Keshav, do you have doubt in this sum still?
No, sir. The basic idea.
We found area by two methods. We found area by two
Basic
methods
idea.
and equated it. If girls have doubt, you can ask, or some other sum you tell me, I will teach.
The 16th question.
Sir, question number 16, same exercise.
Same exercise I will teach. Okay. This way you have to ask the question and I will teach. Shall I erase the board, student? Shall I erase the board?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 16. If P and Q are the lengths of perpendiculars, if P and Q are the lengths of perpendiculars from the origin to the lines x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to k cos 2 theta and x sec theta plus y cosec theta is equal to k respectively. Prove that p square plus 4q square is equal to k square. This we need to prove. If P and Q are the lengths of perpendiculars from the origin to the line, P and Q are the lengths of perpendicular from the origin to this line and this line respectively. Prove that this one.
So here theta is not defined, right? So sir, how can we proceed?
See, distance of the point from a line, I think this is last exercise, na? So we know the distance of a point from a line. So
Yes, sir, but theta is not defined, right?
Theta will be removed somewhere, squaring, adding something. Now see here, P and Q are the lengths of perpendicular from origin to this line and this line. See here, I'll tell you. X cos theta.
Sir, before proceeding,
Yeah.
can't we expand cos 2 theta in the first equation?
Wait. Let us not do something else. It is there, this one only. X sec theta plus y cosecant theta minus, is it k here? Minus k is equal to 0. See here, student, I'll check the question once again. K, it is correct question. Now see here, distance of origin, directly they told na, this length of perpendicular means distance only. Length of perpendicular means what, student? Distance only na? Yes or no?
sir, distance only.
Distance between what? Origin 0, 0 and first line. First is how much? Is how much? P. Agree or not agree? Distance between origin and first line is P. But we know the distance also, no, student. What is the distance formula? P is equal to, how to find distance of this line, first line from 0, 0. I told you the technique also. In the place of X, substitute
0, 0.
X coordinate. In the place of Y, substitute Y coordinate. Actually, the formula is, I'll tell you how the formula is.
Mod of AX.
Very good. If the line is
BY1.
AX plus BY plus C is 0, point is X1, Y1. Then the form, in the place of X, write X coordinate, AX1, plus in the place of Y, put Y coordinate, BY1, plus C by square root, X coefficient, Y coefficient, A square plus B square. Based on that logic, let us find the distance of first line from origin. In the place of X, what I should put?
0.
0. So what it becomes then? 0 into something 0. Here also 0. Then this is there, minus K. This is C actually. This is C. K cos 2 theta by what, student? Square root A square plus B square. What is A square plus B square?
Cos square theta plus sin square theta.
Cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is equal to how much? What we got? Mod
1.
there means this is positive. K cos 2 theta by 1. 1 means nobody will write now. Am I correct or not? Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. But sir, I have a doubt.
Wrong we are doing.
Okay, sir. Now leave it, sir. Leave it.
Tell.
Sir, but mod should be distributed over K and cos 2 theta, because cos 2 theta can be negative also, right?
So what? It is, but totally it is positive in a student. Not understanding.
Yes,
See,
sir.
P
Now
is
I like
positive
to-
now. P is positive.
Yes, sir.
The right side should be positive only. Now how it can be negative?
Okay, sir.
It has to be positive only, student. Okay, we'll see if negative is negative, how it will become. Now next is what? Distance between origin, distance between 0, 0 and second line. Distance between origin and second line is how much? Tell me. Distance is Q. Distance is Q. Therefore, Q is equal to, tell me the value of Q.
0 minus 0.
0
Plus K.
plus 0, then C minus K by square root A square plus B square, sec square theta plus cosecant square theta.
1 minute. Sir, how did you get P is equal to 0 minus 0 minus K cos 2 theta?
In the place of X, what you will put, student? In the place of X, what you will substitute?
0. Okay. Yes, sir.
0,
Yes, sir.
full thing 0. Here
Yes, sir.
0,
You're
full thing
putting
0.
the value first. Yes. Understood,
That is the
understood.
formula now. What is the formula? AX1 plus BY1. I wrote the formula also. Now, shall I write the
Yes,
formula
sir. I
again?
just referred, sir. Just
Okay.
referred.
Q is equal to K by, what to do with this one?
So we can make it as 1 by cos and 1
We'll
by
change into
sin.
sin and cos. If you change into sin and cos, what will happen then?
K cos
We'll
theta.
write directly.
Sin theta
Cos square theta
plus
sin square theta plus cos square theta into LCM also I took. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
LCM. See, write this as 1 by cos square theta, 1 by sin square theta, take LCM. So how much we got then? Tell me.
K cos theta sin theta.
Q is equal to K
Cos theta sin theta.
cos theta sin theta. Little direct I did. Square root cancel. This is 1 only. So this is Q value and this is P value. So
Sir,
now
we
what
can
to do?
Sir, we can write Q as K sine 2 theta by 2.
So now we will do multiply by 2. 2q is equal to k2 cos theta sine theta. Anybody knows the value of 2 cos theta sine theta, students?
Sine 2 theta.
So it will become k2 sine theta, sorry, sine 2 theta. People, if doubt means ask, what I can do then? Doubt means you ask. Here 1 by cos square theta, 1 by sine square theta, LCM. So now we have fourth equation and third equation. What to do? Squaring and adding fourth
Square
and
and
third.
add.
Squaring and adding fourth and third. Square and add. What you will get? Square and add means square and add. What you will get? 4q square plus
P square.
p square is equal to k square common sine square theta, sine square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta. What is that equal to? Sine square 2 theta plus cos square.
1.
So is this the answer or not? Is this not the answer? What we want actually? What are the question, student? Which question number?
Sir, this is already the answer, sir.
This
One
only
minute.
answer. Direct,
Yes,
not
sir,
nothing
yes.
we are doing the
Final
sum.
answer is this only, sir.
So nothing we are do. Only find the distance from the origin to the lines. Stick to the basic how to find distance. If you want to find distance, use the formula ax1 plus by1 plus c by square root a square plus b square. It is as easy as that.
Yes, sir. So 1 minute, I'll just finish the solution.
All of you have to understand this all. Is it over? Be ready with the next doubt, student. Whoever is there today attending, ask the next doubt. No next doubt.
Sir, I only have the next doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Next doubt is question number 11, sir.
11 sum. Okay. 11 sum will do on the same exercise. Today we will complete this chapter. So I think you have exam also on tomorrow, Keshav.
Sir, for me, no exam, sir. For me, on Wednesday, they have told a small test on these complex numbers
You are
chapter.
Kendriya only na.
Yes, sir. Like, we have continuous test only, sir.
Prove that the line through.
Without gap.
Prove that the line through the point. Prove that the line through the point x1 comma y1 and parallel to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a x minus x1 plus by minus y1 is equal to 0. Very good. This is the sum. First understand the question. Prove that the line through this point Prove that the line through this point and parallel to ax plus by plus c is this line. Student, do you remember one day I taught you how to find line parallel to a line? I think all of you remember now. Equation of line, if people don't remember, do you people not remember? Equation of line parallel to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is, tell me, what is the equation of line parallel to this line? Tell
Ax
me.
plus by plus k
Very
equal
good.
to
Only
0.
same thing. X will be
X plus
x
by
coefficient will be
plus
same, y coefficient will be same. Only constant will change. K is equal to 0. Now, student, what is our task now? What is our work? To find the value of
Okay.
k. For that, they gave one help. This line, the new line, pass through which point?
X1, Y1.
So all the points which
Satisfy.
lie on a curve will satisfy its equation. So this point lie on the line, so it will satisfy its equation. X1 comma Y1 lies on first, so it will satisfy its equation. Satisfy the equation means what? In the place of x, substitute x coordinate. In the place of y, substitute y coordinate. What it will come? Ax1 plus by1. Tell me, help me, what will come? Ax1 plus by1
Is equal to minus k.
plus k is equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to minus ax1 minus by1. Substitute the value of k. Substitute the value of k in first. In first, substitute the value of k. What you will get? Tell me.
That will get cancelled.
In the place of k, write this value. What should I tell me?
Ax.
Ax
Okay.
plus
Plus
by, and this is
minus
ax1.
ax1.
Ax1 means this is a number. X is a
Yes,
variable.
sir.
Sir, question
Yeah.
over.
Question is
Sir.
over. Now
Question over.
take common. A, x minus x1 plus b, y minus y1 is equal to 0. This is the answer. Tell me, child.
Sir, I have few doubts, but not related to any question. I have a doubt, like, sir, when I was in 10th standard, we had coordinate geometry chapter. In that, at the last end, they said point divides a line externally. But I thought it wouldn't be collinear. I thought it would be like in the form of triangle, sir.
No. Have you understood
Sir,
now
but-
what do you mean by external division?
Yes, sir. But what if we can find the like?
How the point will divide in triangle, boy? Now see,
Yes, sir. It can divide, no, sir, like perpendicular distance to the line.
that point is not dividing, the line is dividing now. If I say this is the line segment AB, if the point P lie outside, it will not divide only now.
Sir, but if we draw perpendicular, then
If I draw perpendicular, then who will divide? PP dash or point will divide? What we will say, the PP dash is dividing AB or the point P is dividing AB?
sir, the line P dash.
The line segment or the line PP dash is dividing AB. You will not say a point is dividing now, boy. The line PP dash is dividing AB, you will say. Are you understanding
Sir,
or not?
but, sir, in 10th, I thought of this situation.
But that is wrong concept. It is good that you thought something, but it is wrong concept. Now we will say the line PP dash is dividing AB. We will not say a point. If point doesn't lie on a line, how it can divide? Understood or not?
Yes, sir, understood, sir.
What,
One more
next doubt.
Yes, sir. If the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, sir, now if we interchange x and y axis, the new line produced will be perpendicular only, no, sir?
No, what is the line perpendicular to this line? Perpendicular to this line is interchange A and B, bx, ay. Then change one of the sign, either B sign or A sign, plus k is equal to 0. This is the answer of perpendicular line.
Sir, but if we interchange x and y axis, we may get perpendicular line.
No, this is the answer for perpendicular line.
Sir, also I had a doubt. I remember now when we learned perpendicular lines, sir, they gave, I don't know actually, I think a plus ib is a point on argand plane. From origin to that point, there's a line. If we multiply this number with I, what's the angle between these two lines?
Something is there, rotation, amplification, something will be there, which I didn't taught you because I told you some part of geometry I will teach later.
Yes, sir.
So that's why I didn't taught that time. So we'll study, then we can tell. Now leave that. That is complex number.
Okay, sir.
Shall we proceed? Any other doubt is there? This some doubt is there?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. See, some part in complex number is left because I told you we didn't study straight line now. In the complex number also we have to study straight line. So first this straight line, then in complex number we'll study straight line. Next doubt?
I will tell in Wednesday classes, sir.
Tell me.
I don't think by seeing questions, I think I can solve.
All are simple.
Sir, if I have, I'll tell on Wednesday.
Miscellaneous, tell me. Miscellaneous doubt.
Miscellaneous also, I'll solve and tell, sir.
Other people tell. Ananya,
I'll solve
are you
and
there?
tell, sir. I'm not.
Ananya student, any doubt is there?
No, sir, no doubt.
Miscellaneous also no doubt.
Not as of now, sir.
Anybody else want to ask any doubt?
So could you do in miscellaneous the last sum and the 13th one?
Miscellaneous, page number 234, last sum,
And
24th
the
sum.
13th one.
And
13th one.
18 or 13?
13.
13, okay. 24th sum will do first. A person standing at the junction, crossing, we say, crossing of two state paths represented by the equation 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Understand the question. Wants to understand the question. Reach the path whose equation is 6x minus 7y plus 8 is equal to 0 in the least time. Find the equation of the path that he should follow. Find the equation of the path that he should follow. Answer. See here, a person standing at the junction crossing of two state paths represented by the equation wants to reach the path whose where the person is standing, student?
Intersection of those two lines.
Intersection of these two line. Correct na? So we'll find the intersection of these two lines. So 2x, because the person is standing at the crossing point of these two lines, 2x minus 3y plus 4 is 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 5 is 0, where the lines intersect. How to find point of intersection of two curves? Solve them. Solve them what?
Sir, by elimination.
Solve them simultaneously by substitution, elimination, cross multiplication, any method. So we'll do by elimination. Multiply first into 3 minus, okay, first into 3 and second into 2. Correct na, student? All of you know elimination method now. Multiply first equation by 3. I think I should write properly. multiply first by 3 and equation second by 2. Multiply. What you will get, student? Tell first. Multiply and tell me. 6x minus 9y plus 12 is 0. Here multiply. 6x plus 8y minus, tell fast, 10 is equal to 0. What to do with the both? Subtract. Subtract means sign will change. Minus, minus, plus. What the answer? Cancel. How much the answer? Tell me answer.
22 by 17.
So you will get minus 17 y plus 22 is 0. Y is equal to 22 by 7. I got where the two lines will
17.
intersect. There
Yes,
we got
it's 17.
17. 17. So now we want x also. X. Substitute the value. Substitute the value of y in first. In first you can substitute the value. So what will get? 2x minus 3 into, very odd number we got, 22 by 17. Y how much? Is this calculation correct? Have I written right or wrong? 2x minus 3y plus 4, 3x plus 4y minus 5. I hope everything is correct. So 2x minus 3 into y. What is y? 22 by 17 plus 4 is equal to 0. How much you will get, student? Tell me.
Sir, finally we should get some answers, sir. Till that
Calculate
we
and tell
don't
me
know.
what answer you'll get. Calculate and tell me.
So minus 1 by 17. I am getting that.
Minus 1 by 17. Other people also do, otherwise wrong means no use of doing. So you will get 2x minus 66 by 17 plus 4. 17 for the how much, student? I think 66. Okay, 17 for 66.
68.
17 for the 68. So 66, 17. So what you will get? 2x minus 2 by 17, 2 to cancel, minus 1 by 17 is correct. So you can do the calculation yourself. You will get x is equal to minus 1 by 17. Okay. So the person is standing at the point, which point, student? Minus 1 comma 17 comma 22 by 17. At this point the person is standing. Till here, if anybody has doubt, ask me. Till here, if everybody has doubt, you can ask me, or anybody has doubt can ask me. Is there any doubt till here? A person standing at the junction crossing of two state paths represented by so tell me, student, what doubt you people have till here?
Sir, no doubt.
No doubt. So I will now draw the diagram, rough diagram only. If you want, you can draw a little fair also, but rough only. Actually, what they are asking, suppose these are two lines. Okay, two lines. This is the point minus 1 by 17 comma 22 by 17. From this point, where the man want to reach? See the question and tell me.
Sir,
Wants to
equation
reach
of-
the path. Wants to reach the path whose equation is, suppose this is the equation. 6x minus 7y plus 8 is equal to 0. This is the path where the man want to reach in least time. What can be the least time, student?
Perpendicular
Perpendicular
distance.
Perpendicular
distance.
distance will be the least path. So perpendicular he want to go, then only he can reach least. This is point P. Okay, this is point P, and he want to reach least. So what we have to find? Find the equation of the path that he should follow. We have to find the equation of what? Whose equation we have to find?
Sir,
Perpendicular.
PA.
PA. We have to find the equation of PA. How to find equation of PA means we have to find the equation of line. So now write down here. The person has to move. The person has to move perpendicular to the path 6x minus 7y plus 8 is equal to 0 in order to reach there in which language? The least time. Which student asked this question? Richard, did you ask me?
Yes,
This,
sir.
so are you understanding or not? He
Yes,
has to
I
move
am.
in perpendicular line. So now student, how to find the equation of PA? Do you know a point lying on PA?
Yes, sir.
Do you know the slope of PA? We know it is perpendicular,
yeah.
student. Slope of 6x minus 7y plus 8 is how much? What is slope of this line, student? One day I taught you the formula. What is slope formula? Minus a by
Sir, 6 by,
minus a by b is equal to how much, student?
sir, 6 by 7.
6 by 7. Directly you should write. Therefore, slope of the perpendicular line how much?
Minus 7 by 6.
Minus 7 by 6. Once you know the perpendicular line slope and the point, which form to use to find the equation of line?
Point slope.
Point slope form. Therefore, equation of required path by point slope form. See, understand the question. It is easy only. Point slope form is y minus y1 mx minus x1. What is y minus y1, student? Tell me please. What is y minus y1? 22 by 17. What is slope m?
Minus 7 by
Minus 7 by
Minus 7 by 6. X minus x1. What is x1?
minus 1 by 17.
1 by 17, so plus. So this is the answer. Now we need to simplify. Keshav, are you understanding this question? Very simple, I think. So what we'll do? Multiply by
Yes,
17.
sir, yes.
17y minus 22 by 17 minus 7 by 6. 17x plus 1 by 17. 17 cancel. One of you check the answer also. So what it comes now? Cross multiply with 17, 6, anybody know? 102. Is it correct? 642. Correct. 102y minus 22. 17 sevens are 19 minus 119x minus 7. This answers we are getting 119x plus 102y minus 15 is equal to 0. One of you check the answer. This is the answer. Looking very odd. Even a single doubt, small doubt also you ask me.
Sir, after doing 11th question, 13th question, can you do the 23rd one?
24th question this is.
Sir, I'm asking you to
Sir,
do
no,
the
sir,
23rd
actually-
one.
Actually some other
Sir,
answer.
C-
Wait, Keshav, wait. Tell me.
Sir, C is minus 125.
How? This we also do. 6 into 22 we didn't do, na? 6 into 22 how much? 132. So it is minus 125. Now it is correct. Multiplication wrong. Is it correct now, Bhushan?
Yes, sir, correct only. sir.
Keshav, you tell child. Sorry. Tell me. Keshav?
So after finishing 11th question, can
11th,
you
no,
do the
13th na.
23rd one?
13th you are saying.
Okay. 13. Okay.
13th
After
you
that,
want?
can you do the? No, sir. No. After 13th one, can you do the 23rd one? I'm asking.
I will do whatever you say. Okay.
Because
so now-
time, I think, will get over by the time we finish.
this
those two.
one student also, Mona Lisa, is waiting for me to teach trigonometry. Shall I raise the board? Risha, shall I do 13th sum or 23rd sum? Risha? Risha not there.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
So shall I do 13th sum or 23rd? 13th sum, see. Show that the equation.
Sir, or else I'll try the 13th sum. You can do the 23rd one.
I think should teachers better. Hello, sir. Hello.
I'm listening. 13th sum is looking tough only. Let us do
Sir, you
13th
can
sum.
reverse at 8:30 itself, sir.
I will leave early because Mona Lisa is waiting. Show
Hello,
that
sir.
the equation.
Because she has.
Show that the equation. Mona Lisa is studying in which school? Anybody knows?
Sir, KV only.
She has exam tomorrow.
Sir, she's my classmate.
She has exam tomorrow.
Sir.
You don't have.
No, sir. Day after.
What
Sir,
exam you have?
We don't have exam tomorrow, sir.
Day
We
after
don't have
tomorrow.
any exam properly, sir.
Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow we have maths.
Sir, we
Which
have an
maths?
exam tomorrow.
What exam?
Yes, sir.
Math.
Math exam.
Which NCFE?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Then ask na doubt what you are doing till then.
Sir, we are asking.
Other chapter is thorough. Nothing is thorough. Hey, other chapter you know or not know? Nothing you're saying. See here. Show that the equation of line passing through the origin and making an angle theta with the line. Very simple question.
Yes,
Show
sir.
that the equation of line passing through the origin and making an angle theta with the line y is equal to mx plus c is this one.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, can you do this later? Because I have a doubt.
I should do this some later.
Yes, sir, we will try because we didn't try even. So how can we ask?
What doubt you have, student?
Sir,
Yes, sir. I'm also thinking this you can do afterwards. Maybe Wednesday.
Sir, actually, we have this chapter for exam. That's why I asked.
And
So
I think
sorry.
today last day I'm coming.
Okay.
I may not come again. That's also possible. Show that the equation of line.
You have to let someone in.
Very good. Ananya Mishra. Show that the equation of line passing to the origin and making angle theta with the line y is equal to mx plus c. Student, y is equal to mx plus c is, Risha, what is c here?
Y-intercept.
Y-intercept. This is c. And this is making an angle theta with the line. This is theta. This line is theta. Now this angle is theta. And this is y is equal to mx plus c line. And we have to find what? This line we have to find. Okay.
Sir, you don't need to do it, sir. You can just explain the sum.
Hey,
and
I
then
also
they can
don't know.
ask their
I also
doubt.
don't know. Let us see. This is point P. Don't worry, they don't have exam now. So this is point A, origin. This is point P. We have to find the equation of AP. That much is there. We need to find the equation of AP. Now tell me how to find equation of AP. Looking difficult only. This is. This angle is theta. Bhushan, tell me how. This is theta means what we can do. Hey, how to do? This is theta now. Then no use. This is C. So this is.
sir, simple, sir.
Tell.
Sir, that's a triangle, no, sir.
This is right angle triangle also.
Yes, sir. So
We
can
know this
find
point
the
actually. We know
internal
this point, but how that is useful. We know this point, how that is
Sir,
useful.
sir, the slope, the inclination of the line AP.
AP, this we don't know now.
So that is that consider alpha, sir.
Alpha,
Sir, so that angle up there is also alpha.
Here,
No, sir, up there at that
Here.
corner. Yes, sir.
Why? This is not 90 now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, we can take tan theta, sir.
Wait, let me think. Hey,
Sir, the exterior angle property we can use.
we can use. Wait, something is going wrong now somewhere. Why so difficult this sum? We know this 2 point, so we know the slope. Something like slope we can do. Can we find the slope? No, nothing we can do now. Theta. Okay, this answer also is given a student. Answer is given now. Y by x. Answer is given. We have to prove only now. We can do this sum, I think. So equation. Okay, how to do? Okay, so what I will do? We can do this sum. This is theta now. Okay. So what is? We can do this sum. Now see here. What is? Okay. Y is equal to mx plus c is given. What is tan theta? Risha, tell me tan theta how much? tan theta no. Y is equal to mx plus theta we took. So tan alpha, how much, student? Alpha, leave this one. Y is equal to mx plus c. What is m, student?
The slope.
Slope means tan alpha only na.
Yes, sir.
So tan alpha is equal to m. Agree or not agree?
Yes, sir.
Tan alpha is m. And okay, so angle between y is equal to mx plus c.
So how is tan alpha m? Tan alpha plus theta should be m, right?
No, student, you're not understanding. See here. What is slope, student? Tell me slope formula.
And theta is equal to
Tan theta is equal to m. So here they're given y is equal to mx plus c na. So m should be how much?
tan theta.
Tan theta, but theta is the symbol they are using. See, this theta we took from our side now, so we cannot use again theta. Are you
So, but
understanding?
the slope for y is equal to mx plus c is tan
M-
theta plus alpha.
M
right?
is the slope.
Yes, sir, but the angle is theta plus alpha, right?
But this theta I am not considering. Are you considering this theta? Not this theta. See, here some angle will be there, and I don't know which angle. That
yes,
will
sir, it will
be.
be theta plus alpha, right?
No, student, I
If
understand.
we consider the
You don't
other.
consider. Here some angle will be there. Do you know this angle?
No, sir.
So
I
that's
thought
why
you considered that
No, no,
other
that- no.
angle is alpha.
I don't know. That's why tan alpha I took. Now is it correct or not?
So what is alpha here?
Here
That-
alpha. This
okay,
is
okay,
alpha.
fine. Yeah,
Correct na?
fine. Yeah.
Now angle between, so tan alpha is equal to m. So angle between y is equal to mx plus c and angle between y is equal to mx plus c and AP. And AP. How much, student? Angle between y is equal to mx plus c and AP. What is the angle?
Theta.
Theta. So correct, Andisha?
Yes, sir, yeah.
So what is the formula? One formula you know na? Tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Don't know this formula.
Yes, sir, we
So
don't know.
tan theta is equal to, what is m1, student? Slope of one line. Correct na?
Yes, sir.
What is slope of one of the line?
Tan
Huh.
m.
What is slope of, this is the slope of y is equal to mx plus c. What is slope of the AP? What is slope of AP? What is slope of AP? Don't know. So m2. Here 1 plus m2. Ask me what doubt you have. AP slope we don't know, student.
Yes, sir, I understood.
Now what happens, student? This mod will get, mod we will remove. So what will get now?
Two cases.
What will get now? Plus minus, I think tan theta is equal to m minus m2 by 1 plus m2. So now cross multiply, student, cross multiply. What you'll get? Plus minus tan theta, plus minus tan theta. Tell fast, what you'll get? Cross multiply means.
Plus
M
minus
into
tan theta mm2.
Plus minus tan theta mm2 is equal to m minus m2. Correct na? Correct calculation na, student?
Yes, sir, yes,
Yes,
sir.
So plus minus tan theta, m will come this side, minus m, this will go that side, it will become minus plus minus will become
Minus plus.
tan theta m2, and this also minus m2. So now what we get now, student, tell me?
We-
M2 common. M2 common, student.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what will get? Minus plus tan theta m minus 1 m2 outside. What is m2 value, student? M2 value plus minus tan theta
Tan theta.
minus m by minus plus tan theta m minus 1. Is it correct?
Yes, sir, correct.
Therefore, equation of line AP how much? Equation of line AP. Y is equal to m2x na?
M to X, yes, sir.
So m2 value substitute, y by x is equal to m2. I think this is the only answer, na, student. M2
So 1
value.
minute, sir. How did you get y is equal to m to x? Could you just explain that?
We know the equation of any line passing through origin how much. If you don't know,
Okay,
I will write
Okay,
this
okay,
way.
sir. Yeah,
Y
I
minus
understood.
y1 is equal to m2 x minus x1. But what is x1 y1, student? Passing through origin, what is x1 y1?
0.
So what you will get? Y m2 x na?
Yes,
Or
sir,
directly,
yeah.
you know, equation of any line passing through origin is y is equal to mx. So m2 value substitute, that's the answer. This is good question actually. Have you understood the answer?
Yeah, I understood,
No?
sir. Yes, I understood.
Other people also understood? I think this much only. I will teach Mona Lisa now. Mona Lisa child, ask next doubt. People can leave the meeting. If you
So,
don't
sir,
have,
I have just one doubt.
tell me.
In the denominator, you got -1, but actually it's 1 minus plus m tan theta. Does that make any difference?
No, we have done wrong then. Why minus? So what happened? So
And the numerator is m plus minus tan theta.
so what you do? Take minus common from here and multiply up. Not understanding?
So, okay, or else we can multiply both numerator and
By
denominator by -1.
Minus 1 you multiply, same answer you'll get.
Okay. Yes, sir, I got it
You
now.
take minus common, it'll go up because this will become plus na then. Are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. I
Same answer
understood.
only.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So now Mona Lisa will tell the doubt. Sorry for waiting for student. Mona Lisa left
Yes,
the
sir.
meeting. Tell the doubt.
No,
First
sir,
doubt.
I meant, sir.
Tell me. Tell the doubt, student. Other people can leave if they want. Thank you. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
Tell
Thank
me.
you, sir.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I have one doubt. Sir, do you know Fibonacci series?
I know Fibonacci series.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, we can find the nth term of a Fibonacci series, no, sir. Sir, is there any process in which you are given a Fibonacci number and we can find n?
N means? Student, I will talk to you on WhatsApp. Don't worry. Today I will talk to you.
Okay, sir.
Let
Okay,
Mona Lisa
sir.
ask doubt. Mona Lisa, tell the doubt.
Sir, am I audible?
Audible. Tell the first sum.
Sir, in the third exercise?
Exercise number 3.3.
Yes, sir.
Tell the question. Tell the question. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell the question 3.3.
So can you hear me? I guess there's something wrong with my
No,
mic.
I can hear you. Tell me. I can
So
hear.
could you brief up how to solve such questions? Because
Which
I'm
one?
kind of getting confused solving them.
Which one?
So like the questions after 10th. I mean the questions from 12th. Like how do we solve them?
Question
Could you
number,
give
tell me. 12th sum or 10th sum? Shall I do 12th sum?
Yes, sir.
So sine square 6x minus sine square 4x is equal to sine 2x sine 10x. Answer. Let us consider left hand side. What is left hand side, Mona Lisa?
So sine square 6x minus sine square 4x.
What to do now?
A square minus b square.
So what to write? Sine 6x plus sine 4x sine 6x minus sine 4x. Till here you have doubt, student?
No, sir.
Now, student, in the answer it is product. Answer is product. We have sum. So obviously our answer will not come now. So we will use transformation formula. We will use transformation formula to convert sum and minus to product. We will convert sum and difference to product because answer is product now. So we will use transformation formula. So how to convert sum and difference to product? Their transformation formula like sine C plus sine D, sine C minus sine D. I think you know these formulas also. Cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D. In the book, they may use XY or AB. That doesn't matter. Tell the formula. Sine C plus sine D. You know, do you know the formula or not? Do you know the formula?
C plus d by 2 and cos.
So use this formula. What I should write? 2 sine. Tell me.
5x.
5x cos 2x to cos x.
2x.
Only cos x. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
And here sin C minus sin D means what will come? 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So what I should write now? Tell me. What I should write? Tell me. 2
Sine.
into cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. The formula will change. Are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Now what you do, still answer we didn't got now. Here there are 2 terms, but we have 4 terms. So what to do now? So write sin 5x write down and cos 5x write together. Then write this 2. Then write sin x. Then write cos x. Arrange. What is the value of this term, student? Tell me. Do you know there's a formula like this way?
Sine 2x.
Sin 2x,
Sine
sin 2 theta. So 2 sin theta cos theta. So what it becomes, student? Tell me. This becomes sin 2 theta means sin 10x. This becomes sin 2 theta, sin 2x. This is the answer, na student. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So see, this way understanding is easy, but the thing is you have to do the sum yourself. So you need more practice since you joined late, so we cannot help. Okay, next sum, tell me. Shall I do 13 sum? Which sum I should do? Tell me. Any sum, no problem.
So the 23rd one.
Before that, no doubt. Before that also you can ask, student.
Yes. So like I am kind of getting them, but I'm kind of screwing it up when I'm doing it again.
Now do systematically, need some practice. Like more in 16 to 21, you have to use transformation only. This formulas only you have to use. Till finally, shall I do 23rd sum?
Yes.
Okay, 23rd sum. So tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus 10 to power 4x. Now student, what happened? See here, what happened, I'll tell you. You have done the proof sums in 10th class also. How to prove a sum? Start from left hand side and prove that is equal to right hand side, or start from right hand side and prove that is equal to left hand side, or start working on both sides and arrive at a common result. Usually how do we know from which side to start? So usually that is not a hard and fast rule, but the user thing is the side where bigger expression is given, start from that side, because it is easy to go from a bigger expression to a smaller expression. Then it is easy to compare to smaller expression to bigger expression. This I think all of you, this all you know now.
Yes, sir.
But it is not hard and fast rule. So miss, it is not a rule. Thus most of the time it will work. So here usually by that logic we have to go from right side to left side. But then also I feel we have to go from which side to which side, left side to here it will work. And there is no way we can identify. You start from right hand side, you will not get the answer. So you start from left hand side, because beginning we don't know. Since I have done the sum, I think left hand side will work. But there is no straightforward answer for this. So usually the side which we have to start is the side where bigger terms are there, more terms are there. So by that logic, we have to start from RHS. But RHS is difficult. Start from LHS in this. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Hello?
Sir.
Understanding now. So although 10 4x is a small term, we have to start here only. And there is no rule, there is no way by which we can identify. 10 4x, how to write? Do you know the formula of 10 4x, student?
So I'm not really sure with all the formulas.
10 4x, there is no formula. So whose formula you know? 10 2x you know?
Tan 2x.
So 10 4x we don't know. So what we'll do, we'll split tan 2 into 2x. So it is like same way, tan 2 theta. This is theta. This is theta. Tan 2 theta. Tell the formula of tan 2 theta. There are 3 formulas. But usually we want answer in 10. So we'll use 10 formula. 2 tan theta by 1 minus 10 square theta. Learn this formula. Is it familiar formula 10 to theta? You're not replying.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm not very sure with a few formula.
10 to theta, this is the formula. 2 tan theta by 1 minus 10 square theta. 10 to theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus 10 square theta. So what it becomes, tell me? 10 to theta. Apply this formula. What I should write? Tell me. You only tell.
So let 2x be a and then
No, directly you tell why 2x is a. 2.
2 tan 2x.
10 2x. We will not write a. We can do that way, but who will do all that? 1 minus 10 square
Tan square
2x. Doubt is there?
No, sir.
But we have not done, student. In the answer, we don't have 2x, 10x, 10x. Everywhere x is there. So what is the way out? Again, use the formula 10 2x. Again, use the same formula. 10 2x. Use the formula. What is right? 10 2x formula, student.
And 2 tan theta, 2 tan x by 1 by tan square x
by whole 1 minus bracket. Again, use 10 2x. Students, see here, if I write sine square theta, this is same as sine theta whole square. Both are same. Sine square theta means sine theta whole square. Square is not an angle. Sine square theta and sine theta whole square are same. That is why, what is why? This is like tan 2x whole square. So tan 2x, tell me formula.
2 tan x by 1 minus tan
x by 1 minus tan square x, and square will go where, student? Here, correct na?
Yes, sir.
Now tell what to do. Simple maths.
So cancel numerator and the square on denominator.
Very good. So what I should write? I should write 4 tan x by 1 minus 10 square x. Denominator is LCM, I think. So it will become, is okay. We'll do one more steps. 1 minus, square it. 1 minus 2 square is 4. 4 tan square x by what, student? This is a minus b whole square, na, student?
Yes, sir.
A minus b whole square. Tell me what is a minus b whole square?
A plus b into
No,
a
tell
minus
me what
b.
I should write. Hey, what you tell?
1 plus tan x into 1 minus tan x.
No, student. A square minus b square. No, it is like a minus b whole square, na, student. A minus b whole square.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
No problem. A minus b whole square.
A square plus b square minus 2ab.
Now, what should I tell you that?
1 plus tan square
tan
x.
4x, na? Square is there, student.
Yes, sir.
Then?
And then minus 2 tan square x.
That is okay, but okay, no problem. We'll do next step, this one. So we'll write here 1 minus 10 square. Next step we'll do. So am I right by writing this way? Am I right? 4 10 square and correct? Now this is?
Yes, sir.
Next step we'll do that way. So now what we'll do? LCM. So LCM how much? You told before only now. So 1 minus 10 square x. This will go here. LCM you know na? So what happens, student? One of the, you have 1 minus 10 square and this will get cancelled. Na? Are you understanding this maths?
Yes, sir.
What I should write? 4 10x. This will go up. 1 minus 10 square x. And here I will open the bracket. A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus 4 10 square x. So what it becomes now? 4 10x 1 minus 10 square x is equal to 1 plus 4, 1 plus 10, 4x minus. I think this only is RHS, na, or something else is RHS. This is only RHS. Have you understood the sum? No?
So how did you get 6 tan square x? Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
Shall I teach this sum again?
Understood, sir.
Like terms we can add, na, student? Like terms. Can we add like terms?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So will the 21 formula given in textbook be enough for solving this exercise?
All formulas are given, student. Don't worry.
So in textbook, whatever is there.
All the formula which is required, almost everything is given.
Okay, sir.
May not be so beautiful, may not be so attractive way, but it is given. These formulas are given. If you want, I can also write. These formulas are given.
Okay, sir. So and then miscellaneous, like I'm finding the questions hard. Are there any tips to solve them?
No trip. Practice only. Shall I do 25th sum, 24th sum? Which sum I should do? Shall I do 25th sum, student?
Sir, can I try? I'll try solving them again and ask you.
So what you do here, cos 6s is there, na student?
Yes, sir.
You write this as, how to write? You write this as cos 2 into 3x. This way you write and do. Cos
Okay, sir.
2 theta. I think this way also it will work. Cos 3 into 2x. So here you use cos 3 theta. I think both will work. You check once. Okay. And now tell me which sum I should do. Miscellaneous with some student.
Sir, and for the numerator denominator questions also is by using the transformation formula, right?
See, whenever you want to convert sum and difference to product, or sometime you have to convert product into sum and difference, you have to use transformation only. Two types of transformations are there, like sin C plus sin D, sin C, write down, sin C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D. This is for sum and difference. Now multiplication, how? 2 sin A sin B, 2 what? 2 sin B sin A, 2 cos A cos B.
So aren't both of them the same thing?
2 sin A sin B. No, here product to sum we are doing. See, I will tell the formula. So what
So
happened
sin
here?
V same as sin V sin A, right?
Same. So almost same. So what will come? 2 sin A sin B same. But what happens, student? Okay, it is same only. So what you do? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus. Formula is different, but here sin A plus B minus sin A minus. Formula is different. But what you do?
So, but how does it make a difference if we write sin A into sin B or sin B into
B
sin
will
A?
be greater than, say, B will be more than A. B will be having more magnitude than A. So when you subtract, now it will come out minus. You can use one formula also, student, no problem. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, as a whole, one formula will work. Sometime what happen, they will give this way now. So B magnitude will be
More than A.
A. So what happened? This formula will not work. It will work, student. Then you take minus outside.
For B to be greater than A or A to be greater than B?
No. See, I'll tell you very your observation is good. See, whether they gave 2 sin A sin B or 2 sin B sin A, you can use any formula. Correct? No, not any formula. You use first formula if you want. Don't use second formula. You use first formula. Every time you'll get the answer. Don't worry. Okay. But this way they teach, that is okay. But you can use any
formula. You wrote the same, right?
I think something wrong I'm writing. That's why.
So I get sin A cos B and cos A sin B.
That's why wrong now. 2 sin A cos B. Okay. Sorry, student. 2 sin A. Here 2. My mistakes. This formula I wrote wrong. 2 cos B sin A. Sorry, student. I think I'm okay now. 2 sin A cos B, 2 cos B sin A. Okay. Now I think it is okay. Are you understanding or not?
Yes, I understood, sir.
Now 2 sin A cos B, 2 cos B sin A cos B, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. And here it is what? 2 sin A sin B, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. This is the formulas. Okay. Here you know 2, 2, 2, 2. C plus D by 2, C plus D by 2, C plus D by 2, but here minus also will come, minus 2, C plus D by 2. Here C minus D by 2, 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 bracket, 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 bracket. Here sine.
So the fourth one B minus C by 2?
Cos, sine, wait, cos, sine, cos, sine, sine. Tell me, student. Here, tell. Mona Lisa.
I thought the fourth one was D minus C by 2, sir.
Cos A minus Cos
here,
A
sir.
minus B minus cos A. Is this correct?
Okay, sir.
Is it
So
wrong?
in cos C minus cos T, I thought it was D minus sine D minus E by 2.
It is D minus C by 2 if you don't put minus here. If you put minus means you can take C minus D by 2. Are you understanding or not?
Okay, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
it depends. You can write this way also. 2, don't put minus here. 2 sine C plus D by 2. Then you what we should write here? Sine. If you don't
D
put
minus
minus
D by 2.
here, it will be D minus C by 2. Are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
So any one, both are same only. Okay. Anything else? So when you want to convert product into sum or difference, use this formula. That is plus 2 minus into. Shall I erase the board?
Yes, sir.
Which sum I should do, student, tell me?
So I'm kind of not getting the whole miscellaneous. I'm getting very confused while doing it.
Miscellaneous also is very simple. Tell me the sum. First sum I should do. Shall I do first sum? Why you are feeling shy? You tell me I will do first. First sum I will do. Okay. Very simple. First you be thorough with the formulas. Then you can do sum easily. Like first sum is 2 cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13 is equal to 0. Is this the sum, student? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now what happened? Nothing we can do. Answer is 0 means what? All terms will get cancel. So here what we can do? Here what we can apply? Transformation. This one, Lina. 2 cos A cos B. What is that? 2 cos A cos B. Use this formula. Cos. Tell me. 10 pi by
Cos pi by 13.
Plus cos A minus B how much? 8 pi by 13. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
It will be minus, but cos minus theta is cos theta. Now what happens, student? Are the terms getting cancelled? No. See, this much we did, but are the terms getting cancelled? No. So do you know something like allied angle and all? Allied angle.
No, sir.
You know na, sine 90 plus theta, cos 90 plus theta.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes,
that
sir.
only is called allied angle. So use that concept. So terms will get cancelled. You write this somehow. How to write? Can I write this way? Cos pi minus 3 pi by 13. Take the LCM. Will you get same thing or not? Can I write 10 pi by 13 as this pi minus 3 pi by 13?
Yes, sir.
If you take LCM, will you not get 10 pi by 13? Not understanding?
Understood, sir.
So purposely I will write this way. Why? Because here also 3 pi by 13 is there. But student, tell me cos pi minus theta is how much? What is the formula? Cos pi minus theta. No. Correct. Okay, leave it. Now here how to write? Here how to write? Cos pi minus, use this concept. 5 pi by 13. Is it correct, maths?
Yes, sir.
And these two terms I will not touch. Same thing now. You write 10, I write 5 plus 5. Both are same. And now tell me,
Yes,
what
sir.
is cos pi minus theta?
Minus cos theta.
Minus cos. So what it becomes then? Cos pi minus theta. Minus cos theta. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Cos pi minus theta. Minus cos theta. Cos 3 pi by 13. Plus cos 5 pi by 13. Terms will get cancelled. Answer is 0. Little bit of trick you have to do here. And doubt is there?
Understood, sir.
Good. Shall I do second sum? You say I will do, no problem for me. Second
So, or
sum.
could you rather tell me the formula to be used in questions?
No, this one only. Transformation or allied angle, compound angle. That's only very simple. See, second sum is so simple. Second sum will do. You'll get confidence. Sine 3x. You only tell which formula to use. Sine 3x plus sine x into sine x plus cos 3x minus cos x is equal to 0. This is the question, second sum. Now tell me, left hand side, what at the best we can do? Again, answer is 0, so all the terms will get cancelled. What I should do here? So we use transformation, sin C plus sin D.
So sin A plus sin B?
Sin C plus sin A plus sin B, shall we use? Or sin C plus sin D, shall we use?
Yes, sir.
I think more we can do now. What we can do? See,
So
what else we can
multiply
do?
with sin x.
We can multiply with sin x. That is one option. Let us not multiply. Let us use directly sin C plus sin D. What is sin C plus sin D? Don't know.
Sir, am I audible?
Tell me sin C plus sin D.
So 2 sin C plus D.
2 sin C plus D by 2. How much I should write?
2x.
Sin C, 2x. Cos how much? Sin C minus D by 2. X sin x. Correct, na? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Here cos C minus cos D. What is cos C minus cos D?
C
Minus 2
minus 2 sin C
Sin
minus D.
C plus D by 2. Do you not have formula in front of you? Tell the formula. Cos C minus cos D.
Sin C plus D by 2 and
Sin.
C minus D by 2.
See, both the terms get cancelled. Answer is 0. Over now. This one step, see. You'll get confidence, student. Only one step and entire term will get cancelled. Answer is 0. Is it tough sum? Tell me.
No, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Nothing we can do. Now, plus means use transformation. Multiplication means use transformation. Compound angle means use compound angle. That much only. I'll do third sum for you.
So you'll be taking class on Wednesday too, right?
Student, I think I'm leaving the coaching. New sir will come on Friday and he will teach you.
So
No problem. He is also good now. So he may teach you, but I don't want to teach now. Today, I think last day for me.
you were a really good teacher, so it was very
Yeah.
comfortable to ask doubts to you and all.
Sometime you can still ask on WhatsApp to me. Doesn't matter. So we have a student teacher relationship. Still you can ask on WhatsApp. No problem. I will not charge anything from you. Still you can ask. You are a good student. So I like the student who are interested in studies. So now let us do this sum. Cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square is equal to this one. Now tell me how to do. What we can do. Tell me. Left hand side. Left hand side, what we can do? Tell me.
A plus B whole square.
That only. What else? Nothing we can do. So cos square x plus cos square y plus 2 cos x cos y. And here also sin square x sin square y plus 2 sin x sin y. Student, tell me cos square theta plus sin square theta how much?
1.
1. Cos square y plus sin square y how much?
1.
1. In these two terms, take 2 common. 2 went out. Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Whose formula is... we're not getting answer. Here minus is there, na student. I put plus. Correct, na? A
Yes.
square plus... Now whose formula is this? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Whose formula is this? Cos a cos b minus cos a minus b.
AD.
No, cos a minus compound angle, student. In the book they wrote cos x plus y. Cos x plus y. Correct na? Cos
Yes,
x plus y is this only. Doubt is there?
No, sir.
So I should write x plus y. Okay, x plus y. Now still we didn't got the answer. So what to do now? What best we can do now? Tell me. What best we can do now? We'll take
2 common.
2 common. So what is left now? 1 plus cos.
1 plus cos x plus y.
Do you know, one day, I think last class, I told you one very important formula. That is 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos. This is very important formula. So based on this, what we can do, 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. If I say only 1 plus cos theta, not 2 theta, if it is 1 plus cos theta, then what it becomes then? 2 cos square. See, 1 plus
it'll
cos
become 2.
theta by 2. So that only we use. 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos, this is theta. What it becomes? 2 cos square theta by 2. Theta by 2 means x plus y by, not understanding, student? Are you understanding or
So
not?
we can use the formula directly, sir.
See, 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. That the formula is there. So now 4, this is the answer actually. I think this is the answer, RHS, na?
Yes, sir.
It is not difficult, it is easy sum only.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
No, you can ask one more doubt if you have.
I'll just try the questions again, and can I ask you?
Surely you can WhatsApp me, and don't worry. So you can WhatsApp me whenever you have doubt. Shall I do one sum from 8th, 9th, 10th? They are little different type of sums.
So is that there for board exams?
Which one?
8th, 9th, 10th.
It will be there now. It's like miscellaneous. We are doing
Okay.
so much in here actually. We are doing RD, Sarma, competitive, everything we are doing. So it will be there now. 8th, 9th, 10th.
Okay, sir.
also.
So could you do one of them?
It is
please?
easy only actually. Which one I should do? 8th one.
One
Shall I do?
second, sir. 1 second, sir.
Okay.
Sir, could you wait?
Tell me.
I want you to take the screenshot, sir. So
Take. I erase the board also.
So could you do one of 8, 9, 10?
So suppose I do 8th one only. Suppose I do 8th one. See, 8th one can be done in many ways. See, find. I'll do 8th and 9th both so that it will be easy for you. Find sine x by 2, cos x by 2, and tan x by 2. This all we have to find. And they are telling tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3, x in quadrant, x lies. The angle lies in quadrant second. X lies in second quadrant. X lies in second quadrant. Tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3. X lies in second quadrant.
So can we do it the triangle way?
So x lies in second quadrant, but we don't have to find. We have to find x by 2, x by 2, x by 2. So x lies in second quadrant.
What?
So x by 2 lies in which quadrant? That you have to tell
First.
me. X by 2 lies in first quadrant. This means, what is the conclusion? What is the use of this? This means sine x by 2 will be what? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Cos x by 2 will be positive, tan x by 2 will be
Positive.
positive. In the next main, sometimes it can be negative also. So this is the conclusion. Therefore, sine x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2, all are positive. This is very important actually. All are positive. So this we got. Next, but how to do the sum? So sum means we can do by one method like this way. So tan x is given minus 4 by 3. Okay. So what is, student? What is the relation between secant and tan? Tell me relation between secant and tan.
Tan square plus 1 is equal to sec square.
So secant theta, secant x is equal to plus minus 1 plus tan square x. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Is it right or wrong?
Over here, we know that tan x by 2 is positive.
In the
so
beginning,
can
we
we use
write
it?
plus minus now. So,
Yes, sir.
so now what happened? What happened? Now we want that x lies in second quadrant. So we should take minus a plus. X
So,
is in second quadrant. So secant second minus. So 1 plus tan square x, how much, student? 10x value substitute, how much you'll get? 1 plus
minus
16 by 9.
by
So
3.
you'll get minus 5 by 3. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Now secant x is minus 5 by 3. Secant x is not useful, student. What is useful is cos. So cos
Okay,
x
sir.
how
So
much?
we can use
Cos x how
as
much?
input and
Cos
find
x how
sine, sir.
much? Minus 3 by 5. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, student, now I told you just now one very important formula. Which is that important formula? 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. This is very important formula. I have told you or not?
Yes, sir.
Now use this formula and tell me what I should write. 2 cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 plus
2 cos x.
cos x. Correct, na? X by 2 means
Yes.
cos x. Is it correct or wrong?
Correct, sir.
Wrong means you tell me, I write the formula again. So now substitute the value. 1 cos x, how much? Minus 3 by 5. So how much you got? Tell me. How
So
much it
2 by
is?
5
2 by 5. So
will be a cos
2
square x by
cos
2
square x by
by
2 is 2 by 5. 2 cancel. So cos x by 2 is how much?
root 1 by 5.
Plus minus root 1 by 5. But we have to take plus. Sometimes we have to take minus also. But in this sum, we have to take plus. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So cos x by 2 is over. Now again, very important formula. What is that? 2 sine square x by 2 is equal to, now we know now one important
Can
formula.
we
2.
directly use sine square plus cos square is equal to 1?
That way also it will work now. So what happened? What happened then? Sine square x by 2 is equal to plus minus square root 1 minus cos square. This only you are saying now.
Yes, sir.
So now sine square x by 2 as a whole, we know it is positive, so no need of minus. So tell me 1 minus cos square x by 2 how much? 1 plus how much? Where is it?
1 plus 1
Here.
by 5.
1 plus 1 by 5. So how much? It is 6 by 5.
6
Root
by
6 by 5. So now sin x by 2 we know, cos x by 2 no. 10x by 2 how much? That is also
Sine by
positive.
cos.
So root 6. This is the answer. Are you understanding?
Yes. Thanks a lot, sir.
I'll check once question. Shall I do one more sum or will you try? It's easy only.
I'll try, sir.
Try. Shall I dismiss the class
So,
then?
are you taking class tomorrow?
I will not come student now.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay then.
Thank you.
Thank you. Best of luck. Bye.
Thanks a lot, sir. Bye, sir.